Mike Innovative Door. This is a vinyl back door that you can see got destroyed here. We're going to replace it with the kit right there. Alright, basically these clips here, they just pop out, and then you just take out the insulation like so, and then you just pop in the new piece, and then you push the clip back in. That's how you do it. There you go. Then we'll pop the new piece in, put the clip in, and then we're done. So for your insulating your garage door, call 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us in person at 650 Ogden and Downers. For all your needs, thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord.